Is every ocean calm as rain? I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love, growing love. Hello my borders, hello again. You're out of order, I'm out of pain. We're closing circles, we got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length up on your shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this. You worry way too much, just take it easy. Things will work out right in time. Get your mindset and you'll be just fine. Easy, just take it easy. And baby, don't forget to smile. Easy, just take it easy. Just take it easy, and it will work out. Just take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy, and it will work out. It's never easy to walk away from all your dreams. Start all over and keep on trying. Easy. Does someone really understand what it means to be a man? I know it's hard to love and to let go when you're trying to succeed now. Just take the bad with the good, that's how life goes. You think you lost your touch, just take it easy.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raced our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kitten and maid. Take me back. Imagine a perfect day. Absolutely